Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back. Resuming the topic here in magnetism. So under magnetism, ke tsone di specific objectives go tswa mo syllabusing ya rona tse leng gore we need to discuss. I get re di tlhaloganya sentle gore wa te go iragala eng gone. Dipotso tsa rona ya go tswa mo goreng re tlhalogantse tsone dio tse. A magnet will look like this. Okay, magnet onale. This is North Pole. Maybe 9 South Pole. Okay, so our magnet hela wa go nna ntsang onale dipole tse pedi, north le south. Okay, ha na mo go North Pole le mo South Pole ke gona ha ileng gore the magnetic force is strong thata ti. I get me gape another things that tshwanetse re se itse ka magnet ke gore magnet ha o le free in space wa gonna onna such that the North Pole of the magnet wa go leba kae ko North Pole ya our planet. I na le North Pole le South Pole. So magnet ha o le free like hanging ha ka tsamogalanyana go riana o kaletsana kana mo sengweng ela more tot standing yana get wa gonna such that north this direction and this side ya go supa go North Pole ileng teng. North Pole ya Earth, pole ya Earth, South Pole ya Earth. I get so north ke ne go ya go leba ka magnet. Fa magnet ha ona free hela in space ha o le hayana wa go nna yana ha ile north ka kwanele ile South Pole. I get yana a re lebeleng le di magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Here we have examples of magnetic material. So the magnetic material ke material tse ileng gore di attracted to magnets. Okay, a magnet will attract magnetic materials like iron, nickel and cobalt. These are examples of what? Magnetic materials. Re ka tsenya stele ha ka re to bua ka stele ha pelenyana ha. So this steel is a what? It's a magnetic material. Be re nna le non-magnetic material. The non-magnetic material ke material tse ileng gore ga di interact le magnets. Gore ha o ka ba magnet a taso ga yone go tshwana la o sa ba sepe. Ha di feel the force, magnetic force. You feel hotly. So such materials ke tsone tse re na le leather, cloth, le talo ke cloth like ya paro tsa gago matsela hela pampiri, paper, wood lo go ngake be re na le some metals which are non-magnetic material. Ho ka tsa platinum o e ba pisa le cobalt o tsisa a magnet ta bona magnet o attract cobalt hela ha be go sa nne le effect, zero effect. Le copper guys ga ya attract ke magnet. Le zinc high attractive ke magnet. So ke tsone ke non-magnetic material itse se sengwe se se botlhokwa tse re tshwanetse re se itse ka di magnet is this. So this is South Pole, this is North Pole, right? So ha re ka re ke A, ha be re B, ha be re ke C. What do we notice? These are unlike poles, because this is south, this is north. Again, ha go tase ha ke like poles. So what will happen here? How is a south pole and north pole close to each other? They will attract. Again, so unlike poles attract. So what gonna lay the attraction between them. So that's one thing that we need to know. Then veranale unlike poles can now like poles, right? These are like poles. South le south kana north le north. Go go diragalang go nna le repulsion between these two. Go nna le repulsion. Ke repulsion between them. Repulsion. So like poles repel. They repel. More like north and north, so get you like poles. So they do what? They repel. So you put this one, guys, ya repel. They push each other far away from each other. So ya kharametsana go re ga istala go so it's kind of that, right? Hey, ya no a re lebeleng nenyane di properties tsa teng ya re just summarizing la tsotlhe. So re ha ra re properties of magnets. Magnets attract magnetic material and do not interact with non-magnetic material. Again, magnetic materials are materials that can be attracted by magnet, e.g. iron, cobalt, nickels, alloys such as steel, alnico, and alcomex. They are also known as ferromagnets. Okay. So the magnetic material, they are also known as ferromagnets. So non-magnetic materials, substances that cannot be attracted by a magnet, no effect, zero effect. Okay? These include copper, brass, zinc, tin, and non-metals, e.g. wood, good. So B, a magnet always has two magnetic poles, north, south. These are areas in a magnet where magnetic force seems to be concentrated and stronger. To determine the magnetic poles, dip a magnet into iron filings. Most of the filings stick in clamps around the ends of the magnet, with a few, if any, in the middle. Force attract iron filings. Iron filings o ka re ke ta bona go pelinyana hali go re ka re ke ngare iron filings tota go re ka re iron nyana yana ke re piece nyana tsa iron, like a ke it's fine salt le tswaya so e ka re ke mathothora itshipi nyana ka re tse tshipi bo isila yana one, like those small pieces of iron, so it will not attracted. So that's iron filings. So C, a magnet always rests pointing approximately north-south direction when suspended in air. I get A. So the end pointing to the earth geographic north is the what? North seeking pole or north pole. And the end pointing to the geographical south is called the south seeking pole and south pole. So the south pole S. So as I super get north pole or magnet or now super in north pole wa our planet Earth property hello law of magnetic poles. Like poles of two magnets repel, whilst unlike poles will always attract each other. So ke tsone di properties tsa magnets tsone tse leng gore re tshwanetse re di itse. Ha yana re bua ka induced magnetism, but this is the magnetism that appears or develops in a magnetic material due to the magnetism or magnetic field of a permanent magnet nearby or in contact with the material. So nearby or in contact. Ya nearby kie A, ya contact kie B. So induced magnetism, guys. Okay. Induced hansi like okay. Induced like induced vomiting. How about induced vomiting? Vomiting ke go kgwa. So induced go na le motho re ta ba sa ikutise ntela ba kgwa ke ha re induced ya no go induced vomiting ra re kwena o patikile go rokwe. I get so go ra re nenyana induced vomiting vomiting kera induced magnetism ke gore yaanong ha re se moleng ka e so magnet ke yo this is a what a magnet so gora re yana ka go ntseana magnet ke yo ha then mo ke permanent magnet of course mo it's a magnetic material ha re beile a permanent magnet ga o fia iron nya nai e tira ka re yela le yone ke magnet ke gona bona re beile north there south there again ka gore re beile because the pole ye ke south ya go induce the opposite pole like is suit here again ke south pole ha ya go induce the opposite pole you know again north ha be induce south so it will behave as if ke magnet me ha re ka ntsha a permanent magnet yo ro ba khakala le yone iron nya e sala le iron hela ya mala jo theories ye leng gore is not magnetized again so se go thokwa re itse gore the inducing pole induce the opposite pole ka re bata go attract again ha ke attract opposite nya kra like pole so b they are in contact ya ka le in contact ya ya neng itirile magnet I bona re bile speakernyana se ya no se itirile magnet sa attractile se be sa attractors me a re ka re tshwere be re ntsha magnet di speakernyana tse ya go wa zothetse a kira na sa trile magnet kana it's not magnetized ke re go develop ile magnetism hela just because nenyane tota ke di field lines tota re super go pelinyana ha so ya no hara ka re mo ke south and this is attraction between the two so right gore go nela attraction so re ne unlike poles hela ka gore ha ina ma north ha ile north ya di pole di pedi kana mo nenyane ye wana ke gore ha ina south ya no ya ka ha ile south and this one has attracted this one e ke na south gape e tshwanetse re ne unlike pole gore we ka right re di attracting ha e ka nna south gape le gore they have to repel go mo be go wela ga tsa so ke north pole ka re sentse le north a ke re magnet right ke dipole di pole di pedi di nna di pedi nna le north south ka re sentse re na le north gore ha tshwanetse re nna south ha re ka gore ha ke south ya no ye ka re attractile gore re tshwanetse re ne opposite what pole to this one and again ya ka sentse le ene ha sentse re itse re tshwanetse nna mang south ya ka ha ile south ka gore ya attractile ya ka ya attractile tshwanetse re attracting opposite pole remember unlike poles attract ya ka ile north there ha definitely it has to be south gore nne north south ya ka sentse le south there ya attractile e ka attractor nya ya attractor sa tshwaneng le yone se ra se itse go property of my so esa tshwaneng le yone ke north ya ka sentse le north there a ka kone ka nna north ga nya ka gore tshwanetse re nne north le south good so tsenya south pole so this is induced magnetism again it develop just because only permanent magnet go no kana in contact with the magnetic material so go mo o thalaganya go ira gala mo go enyala magnetic material a ke re buile gore tse non magnetic ya ka dipampiri ha ina nyang ha I feel any force ha kopana le magnet so guys for ra re me go ne in the next lesson re ta be re lebella gore how do we make things to be magnets I get rira yang gore di magnetized I get methods of magnetization kana go molo gone ke metal ba since we ile gore ne permanent magnet re batla go itse gore how do we do that so let's meet on the next video thank you